Hello guys, welcome to Mad About Films YouTube channel, and today on this channel I will be reviewing new headphones that are recently launched in India. Those are known as Infinity Z500 and they are from the makers of JBL. So the people who make JBL had also made this Infinity headphones. I have already unboxed it so that I can use it first and then understand how the quality is, and then I can review it. This is the headphone that comes, and so you can see guys, this is the headphones. When you will hold this on your hand, it will feel really premium. The one that I have is wired one. There's other version also available in which are wireless, but I got this particular one because I wanted to use this with this recorder Zoom H1n, so I can put 3.5mm jack on this Zoom H1n and monitor the audio. Now talking about this headphone for filmmaking, well, if you are on a tight budget, like if you have the budget is below 1000 rupees or $20, so this I would highly recommend this headphones, because these headphones produce like really crystal clear audio, and there is nothing to review, like all the buttons. It is pretty normal, like a normal headphones. There are headphones you can expand it and you can connect it to 3.5mm jack, but one thing is for sure, the quality are really good. And if you want to read about it, like a review, complete review, I have written a blog on this headphone. I will link it in the description, you can check it out. So build quality is not that great. It can be easily broken by like few good drops, but the one thing is that you won't feel that it is like made of real cheap plastic when you hold it, because it feels like premium. Now the sound quality is really good on this. That's the main reason why I bought it. So I have been using it for last 1 month, and the sound quality is really amazing. While editing, sound mixing and making music, the bass is really good, the sound is really good. If you want a Bluetooth wireless one for like listening to music, I would suggest you go with a different version. Like the headphones are same, the only thing is that this one is wired one, so you can get a Bluetooth one. The link will be in the description, you can buy it from that. You would be wondering why I am reviewing these headphones on this film related channel. I have been using these headphones for filmmaking, for sound mixing, for audio monitoring, and it has worked like really great for me. So that's why I'm reviewing this on this filmmaking channel, because I think that everyone should get this if you are on tight budget for filmmaking. You get 1 year warranty. Now is the time for B-roll for these headphones. You can see guys, I have had a new recorder Zoom H1n. I will be making a review on this, but not now. After using 4 to 5 months, because I want to give a really detailed review on this. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.